means I've been driving this.
Today we make DAWA, the ultimate Kenyan cocktail. It's refreshing, delicious, and the easiest cocktail you can ever make. Regarding the meaning of the name, DAWA is Swahili for medicine, because word on the street is that this drink can cure any illness. Owes its origins to the popular Nairobi restaurant Carnival, and has since gained popularity in other restaurants such as Java as well as at home. And we are going to be building our DAWA in a cocktail glass. Ideally you want to use an old-fashioned glass. I always say feel free to use what you have. I'm just using a regular glass here. Some people like to shake it in a cocktail shaker, but we are going to be making it the traditional way by building everything in a glass. Without much further ado, let's get to it. To start, you want to cut your lime into small wedges. Lime is key in this drink, so feel free to use as much or as little of it as you like. Transfer the lime to your glass with the peel facing down. We're then going to muddle the lime, which helps it release its oil and aroma. I'm using half of a lime, but you can use a whole lime if it's rather on the small side. You then want to add 2 bar spoonfuls of demerara sugar. You can also use other kinds of light brown sugar, as well as brown sugar itself. Just bear in mind that if you choose to use regular brown sugar, you may need less of it, as it's way much sweeter than demerara or turbinado sugar. I'm just going to give this a stir to combine. Next, you want to add in the vodka, 60 milliliters. Again, stir it to combine. And finally, we're going to top it with some crushed ice, as much as you prefer. And just before serving, we're going to drizzle it with a generous amount of honey. And here as well, you can use as much or as little honey as you prefer. Normally, DAWA stick is used, but you can also use a cinnamon stick or a regular teaspoon. I didn't have a DAWA stick, so I'm just using my wooden spoon. One final stir. Garnish it with a lime wedge, and this is ready to serve. I hope you enjoyed this DAWA cocktail recipe. If you are new to my channel, kindly don't forget to subscribe. And if you enjoyed watching this recipe, then please give this video a thumbs up, or kindly follow along, subscribe, and click on the notification button so you don't miss out whenever I upload a new video. I'm glad you stopped by, and until next time, bye bye.